How to make sentences in German language. What is the position of helping verb and the main verb in the sentences? How to use helping verb as the main verb? What is the conjugation of haben and sein, the most important helping verb? If all these questions are coming in your mind, then this video will definitely help you. So do watch this video till the end for lots of tips and tricks. Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are safe, healthy and doing great. Welcome back to our channel Bloom German. This is the video series for the beginners or A1 level. Today I am back with the another and the most important topic, and the name of our today's topic is Lektion 20 Haben und Sein. To understand this topic clearly, I would like to recommend you to go through lesson number 14 and 15 of this video series. Now let's begin. Diskussionspunkt, discussion point. In order to understand this topic easily, I have divided this video into 4 main parts. In the first part, we will see the basic sentence formation in German language. In the second part, we will learn the conjugation of most important German verb haben and sein, and we will understand them along with few examples. In the last part, we will see some practice examples. Before proceeding to our today's topic, if you are watching this channel or video for the first time, then do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. That will give you the timely notification of latest videos. And don't forget to like and share our videos. Satzbildung, sentence formation. Ich kaufe 1 Kilo Tomaten. Ich is the subject, kaufe is the conjugated main verb, 1 Kilo Tomaten is the object. Meaning of the sentence is, I buy a kilo of tomatoes. Represent the sentence is in present form. Here we are not using any helping verb. Rule for this sentence is subject plus conjugated main verb plus object. Kaufe is conjugated according to the subject ich, and the main verb for this sentence is kaufen, meaning is to buy. Let's move on to our another example. Sie sind nach Berlin gereist. Sie is the subject. Sind is the conjugated helping verb. Nach Berlin is the object. Gereist is the main verb. Meaning of the sentence is they have traveled to Berlin. So this represents the sentence is in present perfect tense. Rule for the sentence is subject plus conjugated helping verb plus object plus main verb. Look at here. Here for the sentence, reisen is the main verb, and here we are using participle zwei form of reisen, that ist gereist. Let's move on to our another example. Hat das Auto. Er is the subject, hat is the conjugated helping verb. Here haben act as a main verb. Das Auto is the object. Meaning of the sentence is he has the car. Represent the sentence is in present form. Rule for the sentence is subject plus conjugated helping verb plus object. In this video, we will see the sentences in detail for this rule only, for the third rule only. In our coming videos, we will learn the first 2 sentences in detail. So stay tuned. Where Conjugation, Haben und Sein. Now let's see the conjugated form of verb sein, helping verb sein for the present tense. The meaning of sein is to be. For ich, the verb sein is conjugated as bin. For du, it is bist. For is sie, it is ist. For wir, it is sind. For ihr, it is seid. And the verb sein for zizi, it is conjugated as sind. Now let's see their meanings one by one. Ich bin, I am. Du bist, you are for the informal situation. Ist, he is. Es ist, it is. Sie ist, she is. Wir sind, we are. Ihr seid, you are. Sie sind, you are for formal situation. Sie sind, they are. There is no particular rule or tips and tricks for memorizing the conjugated form of sein. You have to remember it or learn it. Now let's see how to use the conjugated form of verb sein, helping verb sein in the sentences with the help of some example. Hallo, ich bin George. Hello, I am George. Wer bist du? Who are you? Is Taxifahrer. He is a taxi driver. Sie ist Lehrerin. She is teacher. Es ist schön. It is beautiful. Wir sind fertig. We are done. Seid ihr fertig? Are you ready? Sie sind Studenten. They are students. Sind Sie Frau Weber? Are you Frau Weber? Now let's see the conjugation of haben for the present tense. Haben meaning is to have. For ich habe. For du hast. Es sie hat. Wir haben. Ihr habt. Sie haben. Their meaning one by one we will see. Ich habe, I have. Du hast, you have for informal situation. Hat, he has. Es hat, it has. Sie hat, she has. Wir haben, we have. Ihr habt, you have. Sie haben, you have for formal situation. Sie haben, they have. There is no particular rule or tips and tricks for memorizing the formation of verb haben. You have to learn it or remember it. Now let's understand how to use the conjugated form of verb haben in the sentences with the help of few examples. Ich habe keine Zeit. I have no time. Wann hast du Zeit? When do you have time? Sie hat keine Zeit. She has no time. Hat zwei Bananen. He has two bananas. Das ist eine Uhr. Es hat zwei Hände. This is a clock. It has two hands. Wir haben heute Zeit. We have time today. Habt ihr morgen Zeit? Do you have time tomorrow? Sie haben keine Zeit. They have no time. Haben Sie heute Zeit? Do you have time today? Übung time. Now let's do some practice. For every question, I will give few seconds for thinking. Claudia dash 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 Deutsche Lehrerin. Options are bin, ist, sind, seid. Welche Option ist ihr richtig? Yes, you all are correct. The option is ist, because Claudia is the third person singular. So Sein will be conjugated as ASZ. Let's move on to another practice example. Anna und Klaus dash 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 er aus Spanien. Options are ist, bist, sind, seid. Yes, the correct answer is seid. Max und Eva dash 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 intelligent. Options are ist, bist, sind or bin. Welche Option ist ihr richtig? Yes, the option answer is sind. The correct option is sind. Frau Schmidt dash 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 sie zu Hause. Options are seid, sind, bist oder ist. Yes, you all are correct. This is a formal situation. So answer should be sind. Now let's do some practice for the verb haben. Ich dash 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 ein Auto. Options are haben, habe, hast, habt. Yes, the correct answer is habe. Wir dash 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 ein Haus. Habe, hat, haben oder habt. Yes, the correct answer is haben. Dash 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 ihr Kinder. Options are habe, hat, haben, habt. Welche Option ist ihr richtig? Yes, you all are correct. The correct answer is habt. Eva dash 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 einen Hund. Haben, hat, habt, habe. Welche Option ist ihr richtig? Yes, the correct option is option number 4, hat. I hope you have learned, enjoyed and understood the today's topic. Herzlichen Dank für das Anschauen meines Videos. Auf Wiedersehen!